Steemit downvote bots. How I'm fighting them. Come and join me and we will get rid of them for once and for all. Right, here we are. I'm on my Steemit page. Now I created a blog. There it is, 5 days ago. It's webcam, full review, where to buy them, cheap as chips or free. Now, I created this blog. It's all my own work. Nobody else is involved in it other than the seller and where I bought the thing from. Bought the webcams from. I'm not going to talk about the webcams. What I'm talking about is, you think, right, how are we doing? And you scroll down and it says, oh, we've got 3 votes. And you think, well, there's no money. And you click on it, and as you can see, they're all negative votes. Why have I got negative votes? The reason is because I've written it here. Oh, I see I've received 3 downvotes. I will tell you all. Number 1, or I am Super Grandad, at Super Grandad. I am loveatpromotions.com, I'm lonelyman.co.uk, and I'm UK Super Rascal. And the contents of this above post are my original work. Everything in it is original, it's all mine. Everything linked to it is mine. So these downvotes are crap. They are bots that don't work. And I'm ranting a war against the bots. As you can see, there's a link to my website, there's the link to me Lonely Man, and there's the link to my YouTube channel. So you can go to it, do whatever. Now you downvoters suffer the consequences of not researching at Super Grandad. So if you'd have researched, you'd have found everything there was mine, and it's all legit, and there's nothing that can be done. But you're the ones that are now going to feel my wrath for doing what you're doing, because what you're doing is totally wrong, and that's not in the it's not in the vein of Steemit. You are not true Steemits, you're thieves. The search will continue on the above, and any and all of the names, at names, will be flagged. Now, what do we mean by at names? Well, if we go back here and we right click and go opening a new tab, you'll see what I'm on about. It's opening up. It's a bit slow, it's because I'm recording at the same time, but that top 3, I can't even, steamer takes you to Sexy Steam Girl, which is another bot. Right? So what did I do? They're not even a real person, it's another bot. So that's 2 bots, and all this one does is re-steam. It re-steams. So it means all you hard-working people out there, let's go and have a look at this one, that create posts to put on Steemit, they're robbing you blind. So what have I done? I've come on here, and the very first thing I've done is gone, apologies to J LOVATT from Super Grandad. First thing I do is apologise to this person, because I know they're not to blame, but this is the only way I can get at the bot. So if you want to go on there and have a look and see what's doing, the link will be the link to it will be below the video, and as you can see, lots of explanations and everything going on, and basically Steemit posts older than 7 days do not get paid for any upvotes after the first 7 days. So a Steemit post, that's it. If you've done it and it's 7 days old, you ain't going to get no more payment for it. And I think that is a good Steemit rule, because the Steemit would run out of money pretty quick if we didn't give back to Steem to keep the thing working. So because the post is older than 7 days, there is no money involved now. My boycott of Sexy Steemane and all the linked @names to Sexy Steemane girl bot will be flagged till further notice. So that's what I've done. And then I went down it and I went, hello, what's this? Sorry, no, somebody else. So that coming to this, put a flag on my post. So somebody else has put a flag on their post. Let's join together, all of us that are decent, good Steemanes doing the thing that we want to do, being flagged by stupid bots that don't work. Right, so I've sent a message back to her, which is, hi, blah 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 from blah blah blah. What is the title of your post? It has been flagged. Answer and reply to me at Super Grandad. All you got to do is click my Super Grandad and that'll take you to me. Watch. I'll right click, open a tab, up here, wait for it a second. Come on, very slow. Click on the tab and there's my latest blog. I set 10 questions to find out something else about Steam Hunt on Steemit. That's something else that I've been working on. Right, there you go. You can get there, then click on my blog, scroll down to the bottom of that, click on the reply button just there, click on the reply, and then you can type in and say who, what and where you are. Right, now then, back to this one. As I say, I've put that's how to get to me, to write back to me. Right, I will find out for free if the person you blame for the flag is the correct person to blame. Well, that's for if you've been flagged or if you've been downvoted. We've got to fight back against this because these bots are rubbish. They just do it discriminately. They haven't got any sense. Right, I will find out why you were flagged. Join me in the fight against impersonal flagging and impersonal downvoting by letting me know if you are or have been a victim of the above. So there you go, let me know and I will find out if your post that you've done that's been flagged. All I want from you is what's the title of your post. Just send it to me on my Super Grandad and I'll look into it and find out who's been doing what, where and when, just like this. Right, so anyway, that's what I do. So I've been onto this one and the fact, sorry that I've used you in this video, but you're perfectly good Steemit because you create posts and make this Steemit work, whereas these sexy Steemit are leeches. They live off of us. Why on earth should we support leeches when they can't do it? It should be banned. Right, now, if you want to know what to do to join me, go on to Sexy Steemane Girl. If you're one of the followers, click on the followers button like that, and then down below, look, there's the list of all the followers that support this. Right, so all you got to do is, if you see it says follow, that means you're following that one. If you're following that one, you're following. I'm following this one. So sorry, crypto monitor, you're going to get unfollowed. Simple as that. Crypto Riddler, unfollowed. I'm looking for genuine Steemits. If you come back, if you're saying, but I don't do anything with this. I'm nothing to do with sexy Steam main girl. Yes, you are, by supporting her, but by becoming a follower. So that's what we do. We unfollow those that follow Steam main girl. And as you can see, there's 10 followers. So if you happen to follow any of those 10, and all I did was clicked on that follow 10 followers button there, click on that. If you're following any of them, unfollow. If the people that are on this list don't want this happening to them, you know what to do. Unfollow sexy Steam girl. This is how we fight back. We do it with all the bots. We unfollow them. We make them less popular. This is how we fight back. So there you go. Let's go back to let's go back to where I was so you can see me. There you go. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going through all my people that I follow. It takes time, yes, but at the end of the day, I know I'm following good Steemit users and not the leeches out there trying to milk every single penny out of Steemit that they can by being lazy and saying, oh, I'll make a bot and I'll do this and I'll do that. But the bots don't work, and the only way we can fight back is by unfollowing the people that create the bots. Simple.